We'll guide you through how to activate a beacon in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A beacon is going to go and have the beam and also effects and buffs when activated. So we're going to guide you through this. So to get started, it needs to be built on a plate. The minimum plate is 3 by 3. And the plate needs to be made out of iron blocks, gold blocks, diamond blocks, emerald blocks, or netherite blocks. So I can go and type in iron, for example, and then you've got the blocks of iron here we could do this with. As I said, the minimum is 3 by 3, but it could also go and be 5 by 5, 7 by 7, or 9 by 9. And then it needs to go and be built up. So you'd have a 9 by 9, 7 by 7 on that, a 5 by 5 on that, a 3 by 3 on that. You get the idea. You go and get a pyramid. Now what you can do is go and place the beacon on top of it, and you can right click it, and you're going to see these different powers, effects, or buffs here. And we can then go and activate them. To do that, you need to use one of these here. So I could go and get myself an iron ingot, right click on it, place it in here, choose the power and press the tick. And now it's going to go and give us speed, as you can see. You can use stained glass to go and change the color of the beam, as you can see.